I know I'd go back to you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you a Happy Mail opening from my friend Alice. I have other videos here on my channel of some Happy Mail, not only that I've received from Alice, but that I've also made for Alice and sent to her. So I'm really excited about this. This is, gosh, is this like our fourth or fifth, maybe fourth swap? But this is not the first swap I've done with Alice. So I just checked my mail, it was in there, and look, the first thing I noticed was this really beautiful tape on here that she used. I love this washi tape, it's so pretty. So I'm really sorry that I haven't brought a video to you guys in a few days. I've just been super busy and haven't had anything to post really. So hopefully I can start working on some more stuff and get that to you guys. So I'm really excited to get into this. I also sent one to Alice, you'll have to check that out. I will link it at the end of this video. But what I sent to Alice, I do have a video on that as well. So let's get right into it. Okay, so we decided to do, well, Alice actually suggested doing a flipbook swap, and I've never done a flipbook swap before, and I really wasn't sure what they were other than researching them, so I really hope that I did it correctly. I guess I'll find out when I look at hers if I did it correctly. I know there are a few different ways to do it, but I don't know, hopefully I did it right. But yeah, I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and check it out and see what all she sent me. Oh my gosh, she's always so generous. She's always so generous with her like goodies and everything that she sends me. So, okay. Let's see. I think I don't think I can wait. I think I need to get into this first. So the first thing that I will show you is the flipbook itself. Alice is really good at making like little embellishments and things like that. So look at this. This is so cute. It's a rosette that has the little tapered edges, and it says thankful, and the little banner is gold glitter. I love that with this combination of that stripe. That's so pretty. I really love that. Okay, so it looks like it's just on a little thing, so I can reuse that. Yay. Very cute. Surprisingly enough, I've never seen black and red. I guess that's red. Is that red? Yeah, I'd say it's like a reddish color. Twine before. Why have I never seen black and red twine? I don't know. So I'll save that. Got some little plaid washi here. Very fall. Oh, I forgot to mention our theme is fall. So, okay, I feel like maybe I did do it right. Now I did a different version flipbook than she did, but I feel like maybe I did it right. So that makes me feel a little bit better. All right, so, starting out, so cute. I know I'm just gonna apologize now because I'm gonna say so cute probably a million times, but so here is the flipbook. Again, our theme was fall. So I love the lace backing that she used here. It says it's finally fall with an acorn. So cute. It's a little glittery acorn. And then she put some enamel dots on here. Thankful. She did some really good layering here, and it looks like she, oh my gosh, what is that? Like antiqued it around the outside. So that's cute. And then on the inside, oh, I love this sweater weather. That's so cute. And you guys, I don't know what it is about like these vellum envelopes and stuff, but I super love the vellum right now. But okay, so this first one, she has some really pretty stuff. You have a really cute, like, did you go out and buy stuff, or do you just have like a really good collection right now of fall stuff, Alice? So she put a couple of washies. Love the fall. You know, I don't have any fall washies. And I was thinking that when I was making her flipbook, I was thinking, I don't have any fall washies. What's up with that? I've got a bunch of Halloween. I have a ton of Christmas, but I don't have a lot of fall washies. So these are really cute. And I love the little acorn embellishment there. This flower is really pretty too. Okay, so do I pull this up? I don't know. I don't want to pull it up if I'm not supposed to. Okay, I think I can't tell. Okay, yeah, I think I do have to pull it off. Okay, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, yeah, I did. That makes me feel better knowing that like I didn't just destroy it. This is so cute. I need to get it off of here without messing it up so I can like reuse it. This bottom layer's not wanting to come off though. Okay, there we go. So this is really cute. It maybe like, I can't tell what it's made out of. It's definitely, I mean, it's paper flower, but so that's cute. And she put a little enamel dot inside of it there. And then inside this vellum, that sucker is still not open. She did a great job closing that up. There we go. All right, so let's see what's inside her little pocket that she made here. It does look like maybe she made this little vellum pocket. So very cute, love that idea. Oh, love sequins. Did you watch my other video, Alice, where I said I don't have a whole lot of sequins? If not, you read my mind. If you did, thank you so much. I said on my other video that I'm trying to build up my sequin collection. So thank you so much. Love the sequins, those are so cute. And then this glitter, but it's like the big glitter. Can you guys see that? The big chunky glitter. Red sequins, gold sequins, love those. I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave those out. Okay, so that's fun.
So sorry guys, I'm gonna have to do a voiceover from here. It got really loud where I was filming. I just love all the different colors and embellishments that Alice used. She has some really fun stuff and it was really fun going through and looking through all of it. So this washi tape, you guys, oh my gosh, look at this washi. I've never seen this washi with the antlers before and the flowers, so super pretty. And then she did use a bunch of like a really pretty glitter enamel dots, and I loved the apple paper there, just really cute. I kept looking at like how she'd attach things and stuff. She always does a good job of that. But yeah, this washi was so cute. Like she had the plaid and just like the leaves and stuff. They were so adorable. She had them paper clipped really cute in there. I think definitely the antlers are my favorite, but I really love the plaid and the leaves, and the orange washi is really cute too. And like I said, I don't have any fall washi, so I'm really excited that she sent this washi to me. Can't wait to use it. I'll probably hoard that antler washi. And then she put autumn on there, and she used some really good paper throughout, like the really pretty textured paper. And I really loved these. I thought they were really creative. Alice is really good at making embellishments, as I said before. And I just feel like she's always real creative. Every time I open things up or check out her embellishments or whatever, I'm like, oh my gosh, that's such a good idea. I didn't even think of that. And this one on top here, she actually Mod Podged. She used Mod Podge and used like a napkin. And then that next one says pumpkin patch, and it's got some pumpkins on it. And the last one says thankful. And it's kind of hard to see, but there is that like maple leaf embellishment on it. So cute. So those are fun. I can't wait to use them. I just love the white pumpkins too. The white pumpkins are so pretty. They're different. They're not just your traditional orange pumpkin. And on the right there, I also love the maple leaves that she put on there. They're really pretty. One of them looks like it's been embossed. And then she's got the glitter maple leaf on top of it. She's really good at layering things. And then it opens once again, and again with just the pretty layering, pretty paper. And she used the gold washi just kind of as, you know, like decoration. And then here to the right, in this little pocket, she's added a few little embellishments, like a little paper flag, which I thought was cute. It says Farmer's Market. And then this adorable acorn paper clip that I can put in my planner. And I was just checking, there is like a foam acorn with glitter on top. I have a whole like collection of paper clips that Alice have given me that I have sticking all in my planner, so I'll add that one to it. And these were really creative also. She used, again, Mod Podge, and she used napkins and made these tags. These are so fun. These are so unique. I love the birds on this one, but they're so fun. I can add them to, you know, anything that I give somebody that is fall themed, like a gift basket or whatever. These will look so pretty with those. And on the back, she even distressed them and made them look all antique. It's just the little touches that are really fun. And then, of course, she put the baker's twine around the top there. There's the back side. So those are really cute. So she did a really good job with her flip book, and like I said before, I had never made a flip book before. It was her idea, and I really had a good time with it. I had a good time making mine, and she does a really good job at making her flip books. I love the way that it says handmade with love there. She put on the back. So love that. I'll probably try to make one like that next time and see if I can duplicate and do as good a job as she did. And she always sends me these little wands. I have like a little collection of all the wands that she sent me and a cute little jar sitting on my desk. So cute. I live for autumn days. I love it. The layering is so creative also. It's kind of hard to see, but there's like some burlap back in there, just barely peeking through, and like lace that you don't see unless you're actually looking for details, which is pretty. Just so many fun layers that she puts together. Her wands are always really, really fun. So really cute. I'll add that to my little jar so I can enjoy it and look at it every day. They're in my craft space. Speaking of collections of, I also have several shakers that Alice had made me. Our very first swap that we did, she made me this like Christmas tag shaker, and it's still in my planner from almost a year ago. So that's so fun. I'll add this one to it. This one is a shaker, and sticking with the theme, it's fall theme, and it's fall theme. And I just noticed that so funny. Great minds think alike. I also sent her some sequins in fall colors, and then I added some turquoise in there just like she did. So great minds think alike. It says autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. And then I just realized I totally forgot to show you guys the outside of this envelope, again with the washi detailing and some more of those fun embellishments that she got are on the outside there. They're like little leaves. They're really fun too. And then like the brick paper there. I was so excited when I pulled these out because I was like, oh my gosh, I can think of so many ways to use these. These are going to be fun to play with. And she included those really fun embellishments that she's been using throughout her projects. So I can't wait to use those. They're like really, really heavy duty chipboard. And the lace is really good for fall also. Pretty detailing. And then another fun tag. I love the lace again. And those paper flowers, I need to get me some paper flowers. Those are really fun. She just put Happy Thanksgiving. That's really cute. And of course she antiqued it again. Very pretty touch. And this was so sweet of her to include. It's a wooden, it says Our Family. So that'll be fun for me to like maybe put on a picture frame or something of a picture that I take for my family for Thanksgiving. And then a bunch of different stamped images. And I really love these because you can add them to so many things. You can use them to embellish something. You can layer them. Okay, so I emptied out the front. So on the back, I couldn't figure out how they were staying on there, and then I realized that that was a paper clip. How cute is that? I never would have thought to take a big mason jar and make a paper clip out of it. So that was a great idea, and I love this mason jar. And the crepe paper detailing she put as the lid, so smart. Such just a crafty touch. So good job, really creative of you, Alice. I really loved that. And then she put some baker's twine around it, stamped hello on there, and I really like the lace flower. It's really pretty too. So those were holding the paper on there, and then she just included some paper samples. The apples, and I had never really thought of apples as being fall before, which is crazy because now I'm seeing apples everywhere this year. So those will be fun to work with. And then a few just pattern stripes. And then some fall leaves. I like that one a lot. It's really pretty. I felt like I just kept on pulling stuff out. And these are really awesome. They're really antique-like. I can use them to add to my Happy Mail. And they're just brads. I love brads a lot. So I can't wait to use these brads. They'll be really fun. I love those. Thank you so much. As I'm like pulling more and more stuff out, you guys probably totally get what I mean. Like, I'm like, oh my gosh, she did better than I did. Like, I feel so bad that I didn't do better. But she's so generous. She always sends so many good goodies, and she's just such a fun swap partner. She's so just giving, which I guess is like kind of the theme of our pocket letter. And then these super adorable scarecrow and like fall Thanksgiving themed stickers. Can't wait to use those maybe for like a pocket letter or something. So yeah, so that was the Happy Mail that Alice sent me. Again, we decided to do a fall flip book, and she just did a really, really great job. I'm so glad that she suggested doing a flip book because I had a lot of fun, and I had a lot of fun looking through the flip book that she sent me as well. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. Also, don't forget to check out that video of the Happy Mail that I sent to Alice in return. It is on my channel already. I will link it down below. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.